Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to paint a snowdrop flower using watercolor. I'm going to paint it without a sketch, but feel free to sketch it out if you feel more comfortable that way. The challenge here is to paint the white flower. We're going to mix a light gray for the petals so they stand out from the white background. I am using Perylene green and a little bit purple. I add a lot of water so the color is light enough. Use the light gray mixture and paint the first petal. It's almost like an oval shape. Here I dropped in a little darker gray along the right side when the petal is still wet to create some shadow so it looks like 3D. Now I'm painting the petal on the left. It's from the side, so it's a little narrower. Ideally, you should paint each petal when the previous one is completely dried, so the color won't bleed. I do the same thing, drop in a little darker gray on the right side to create the shadows. Now we paint the third petal. Now moving on to the section that connects the petals and the stem, I am using a light sap green here. I also add a little darker green around the right side to make it look three-dimensional. Now I start drawing the stem with the same sap green. The stem has two sections. There's one shorter piece that's coming out from the flower and connecting to the main stem, while the main stem has a smaller piece that's sticking out towards the top. Now let's paint the leaves. Use the belly of your brush and paint a long stroke to create the leaf shape. You can always go back and fix the shape while the paint is still wet. I like to paint at least 3 leaves, some shorter and some longer. After the first layer completely dries, I start to paint more details and shadows, using a darker green to create the fold of the leaf. Also add shadows to separate the stem and the leaves. Keep building up the shadow area to make it look more three-dimensional. Same thing for the white petals. I'm adding another layer of light gray to build up more contrast. Now we have our snowdrop flower. Here is a time-lapse video of me using the same technique and paint a bunch of snowdrop flowers. Feel free to come up with your own design. If you're posting it on Instagram, you can tag me at fengyu.art. I would love to share your artwork in my Instagram story. I hope this video is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment area or drop me a message on Instagram. See you in the next video.